2003 Mercury Marauder. Clean car, runs and drives excellent. These are getting harder and harder to find these days. But we're still getting them. We sell and ship worldwide. We finance nationwide. Please visit our website for more information on that. Stock car. It's got a radio and it's got some mufflers. So it sounds a little bit louder than stock, but not too bad. Here's our information right there, name of the company, phone number, and website. Our website is also located in the description of this vehicle. Just scroll down. It's got brand new tires. I believe all 4 of them are brand new. Seats are in excellent shape. If you're not a mileage guy, this car is for you. Just a good running, clean car with over 100,000 miles. .6 all aluminum. Stock and running great. Thanks for watching.